Today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of integers. Now what we have already learned, that positive integers are on the right side of the 0. Here you can see 4 is a positive integer and it is denoted on the positive side of the number line. Negative integers are on the left side of the 0, that is minus 4, and all the negative integers are denoted on the negative side of the number line. And this means that they are opposites. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Whenever the sum total of two numbers is 0, then that two numbers are opposites of each other. Now definition of integer. Integer consists of a positive and a negative number. Positive integer, whole integers to the left of 0. All that integers are called positive integers. Negative integer, whole numbers to the right of 0. All the numbers which are on the right side of the 0, that are called negative integers. Absolute value, the distance from 0. Plot each of the integers below on a number line and then tell the absolute value of each. Minus 1, 2, minus 5. So absolute value of minus 1 is 1. Absolute value of 2 is 2. And absolute value of minus 5 is 5. Addition of two positive integers. Find the sum of 2 and 7. Here you have to follow the rule. The sum of two positive integer is positive. Whatever answer you are getting of 2 and 7, adding 2 and 7, then that answer will be positive. So first draw a number line. Second, plot the first integer on the number line. So first integer is 2. So from 0 we will move towards the 2. Third step, plot the second integer on the number line beginning where the last number left off. Here till 2 we have marked. After that we have to mark 7. So 7 step more we will go. So we are reaching where? We are reaching at 9. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So the solution of this problem will be the sum of 2 and 7 is 9. Now addition of two negative integers. Find the sum of minus 2 and minus 7. For this you have to follow the rule. The sum of two negative integer is negative. So whatever answer you will get, that will be negative. Minus 2 plus minus 7 is equal to, from 0 we will move towards minus 2, means 2 steps you have to move on the left side. After that, next step, move 7 step more on the left side only, because we are adding negative number. So where we are reaching? We are reaching at minus 9. So what is the answer? Minus 9. So the solution will be minus 2 and minus 7, sum is minus 9. So whenever you are adding any two negative integers, then whatever answer you are getting, that will be also a negative integer. That you have to remember. Addition of negative and positive integer. Find the sum of minus 2 and 7. Negative, here you can see minus 2, which is negative, and positive is 7. So whenever you are adding negative and positive integer, you have to follow the rule. The sum of a positive integer and a negative integer will have the same sign as the integer with the greater absolute value. Here you can see which number is greater. 7 is greater. So 7 is positive integer. So whatever answer you will get, that will be also positive. So first draw the number line. After that, second step, plot the first integer on the number line. First integer we will plot it. So first integer is minus 2. So from 0 we will move towards the left side 2 steps, then we will get minus 2. After that you have to add 7. So you have to move 7 step on the right side reverse. So where we are reaching? We are reaching at 5. So what is the answer? Answer is 5. Here you can see that 5 is positive. So the solution will be the sum of minus 2 and 7 is 5. Of positive and negative integer. Find the sum of 5 and minus 3. Here positive is 5 and negative is minus 3. You have to find out the sum. So first draw the number line. Afterwards, from 0 we will move 5 steps. and reach at 5. After that you have to add minus 3, means 3 steps you have to come reverse. 1, 2, 3. Where we have reached? We have reached at 2. So the answer will be 2 over here. So which rule you have to follow? That the sum of positive integer and a negative integer will have the same sign as the integer with the greater absolute value. Here you can see greater is 5 and it is having positive. So answer what we have got? 2. That is also positive. So the sum of 5 and minus 3 is 2. Here example is there, 5 plus minus 8. So here 5 is positive and 8 is negative, and here you can see both are opposite or having different signs. So what we have to do? We have to simply subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. So first write down 3. After that, which sign we have to put before 3? Here you can see that 8 is having negative sign and 8 is greater or larger number. So we will put negative sign before the answer. So final answer will be minus 3. And another example is minus 4 plus 11. So what is 11 minus 4? 7. Now subtracting integers. Example is given 10 minus 4. You have to subtract both the positive integers. So for here you have to start from 0 and from 0 you have to move till 10. Which side? On the right side. After that we have to subtract 4. Means we have to come in the reverse steps 4 from 10. That means we have to move 4 steps on the left side. So where we are reaching? We are reaching at 6 at the end. So the answer of 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Here you can see subtracting or taking away from a number moves the number left. On a number line we had 10, then we took away 4. So we are getting the answer as 6. Now here is there another way? You can write the same exact problem. Here you can see another way of writing 10 minus 4 is 10 plus minus 4. So here you can see one is positive and one is negative number, and here first we were subtracting, now we are adding. So for 10 plus minus 4 also same process on the number line we will do. From 0 we will go till 10 steps. After that in the reverse we will come 4 steps because we are adding negative 4 over here. So where we are reaching? We are reaching at 6. So for both of them the answer is 6. 5. First draw the number line. After that first we have to mark the 2. So from 0 we will mark 2. After that to subtract a positive number we have to move left. How much we have to subtract? 5 we have to subtract. So where we are? We are on at over here, means at 2. We have, if we will move on the left side, how many steps? 5 steps. Then we will reach at minus 3. So what is the answer of 2 minus 5? It is minus 3. Minus 8 minus minus 2. Two negative numbers you have to subtract. First draw the number line. Afterwards we will move from 0 to minus 8. After that, to subtract a negative integer we have to move on the right side. What we have to subtract? Minus 2. So 2 step we will come reverse. So where we are reaching? We are reaching at minus 6. So the answer will be minus 6. Next, for subtracting integers, here rules are there. To subtract integers, ignore the sign and subtract like you usually do. The answer takes the sign of the larger integer. 12 is there. So what you have to do? 12 minus 8 you have to do. So which is 4. The 12 has a minus sign in front of it. So the answer is minus 4. Now more subtraction. What do you do with the problem like this? Minus 5 minus 9. You could think of it as two integers with the same sign. You can see minus 5 and minus 9. So remember from the addition rules, if they have the same sign, you add and keep the sign. So minus 5 minus 9 is same as minus 5 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 14. Here you can see both are having negative sign. So the answer will also have a negative sign. And what is 9 and 5? If we add 9 and 5, what are we are getting as the answer? 14. So the answer will be minus 14. Another example is 13 minus 3. Both are having negative sign. So add them up. Adding them up, 13 plus 3 is 16. Now they are having negative sign. So the answer will also contain a negative sign. Another example is minus 12 minus 7. So add 12 plus 7 is equal to 19 and put the minus sign in front of it. Even more subtractions. What about a problem like this? 6 minus 10. These two negatives cancel each other out and make a positive. If two negatives you can see they are there, then they become positive. So you have to follow the rule that whenever two negatives are given, then they will become a one positive. Now more subtraction. What about the problem minus 12 minus 6? What do you think we should do? So what we have to remember, that the two negatives side by side cancel each other out and make a positive. So we get minus 12, we will write as it is. Now here minus and minus, two negative are there. So we know that negative and negative will become positive sign. So here plus 6 is written. Now we are back to addition. So here it becomes simple. Minus 12 plus 6 means we have to do addition. So apply the addition rule. If the integers have different sign, then subtract them. We have to subtract them. 12 is having negative and 6 is having positive sign, means different signs are there. So what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now add the sign of the larger integer. Larger integer is 12. It is having negative sign. So the answer will also have a negative sign. Some practice is given over here. You have to try them. First 8 plus minus 15. Now whenever there is plus and minus, so you have to remember that plus minus is equal to minus. So 8 plus and minus, we will write down minus 15. So what will be the answer? Simply 15 minus 8 is 7 and 15 is greater and it is having a negative sign. So answer will also contain a negative sign. So answer will be minus 7. Another 4 you have to do by your own. That's all about this chapter.